Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK, where I'm just using my long-handled Irish spade and my heavy-duty hoe to clear a little bit of space for my all-new arid desert gravel bed here. Now, it's occurred to me that I might just share with you my thoughts on these two tools, because I think these are the perfect combination for digging. You've got the long-handled Irish spade, which is slightly different than your average spade. It's got this lovely long handle which forms a nice lever, and if you're tall like me you can reach further. It's got a really good sharp point at the front end there, so any pressure that you put with your foot gets directed straight to the point of the spade, making it slice through the earth so much easier. It can also be used, as you can see here, as a shovel. It's very effective for moving gravel. However, for instances where the ground is just a little bit too tough for that, you've got this to fall back on. This is why I think these are such a great combination. You can really get in there with this hoe and break up the earth. And once it's broken up, you can resort back to your long-handled Irish spade and get digging. So there we go. The perfect digging combo. And don't forget, the Amazon link for these two products is in the description box below this video, and if you buy those through my links, I do earn a commission, so I thank you for your support. All the money I raise gets invested straight back into the garden. I'll see you soon for some more long-handled Irish spade adventures. Bye for now.